just got all the homeschooling stuff. The guy said it was 11 boxes. Whew.
Okay.
All this time looking for it, it's behind your pillow. What the hell? Well,
Yeah.
they send 2 printers.
Yeah.
Why they send 2?
Because that's a part of the program.
They 2 separate kids?
No, it's for 4 kids. I don't know why they sent 2 printers. I might have to send them back. I'm not calling to see if I can send them back.
You got it for all 4 of them?
Yeah.
What's in the rest of these boxes?
I don't know. I'm about to open them up and find out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm about to be printing up everything. I can print my whole book now, Vicki. Oh, look at the pictures.
I was hoping you'd be mad.
Did we get some free film too?
I don't know.
Free ink?
I might have to get like a little stand right here so we can put the printers, because we got 1 printer. Leon just went and bought a printer. And now we got these 2 printers.
We need to get rid of that shit over there. Those 2 old WWs.
Yeah, we need to get rid of this couch. And then I'm trying to get rid of this TV stand too, so that we can finally put the TV up. But the only way because I want to get rid of this, that end table, the chairs, that chair right there, get rid of the couches.
Move that damn tablet. I saw you did it. It ain't gonna fall with your hand.
The ones that say open first, that's the ones that we're gonna open first.
Why did I say open first?
Because it probably has information in there. Wait, whose is this? They're all labeled, Leon, just so you know. Which child? This is for Andrea. That is a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna stop, Leon. Stop, because we're gonna have to organize all this. I'm already seeing now. Yeah, I'm not gonna pull it out yet. We're gonna have to organize all this. We're gonna hold off on opening all these boxes. But and the reason why I'm vlogging this now is because I know a lot of people had a lot of questions about us doing K12 and what's available and how much money we had to spend on supplies. And if you guys are wondering, this was all free. We didn't have to pay out a pocket. And then they gave us 2 printers. And this is for 4 kids. So imagine if you have a larger family. Leon's opening all of them and organizing and stacking them up. And then I'm gonna, after I'm done with the food, because I'm currently making seafood like always for me and Andrea, right, Andrea? And then when I'm done, then we'll go through the boxes. My living room is a mess, as y'all can see. It's a mess. So we're gonna get this living room situated. Yeah, it's a hot mess in here, y'all. But what? Oh, you singing? I'm gonna hurry up and finish eating, and then we're gonna get this house situated. I might end up clearing off my desk, because I have space on my desk, Leon, for a lot of this stuff. So I might clear off my desk and organize my.
Break these down and get the lap. This stuff that's in boxes is gonna eventually come out.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to come out the box, but they can still use the box. They can still use the box. We need space for the printer.
That's why I said I'm gonna have to get a stand. I know I'm gonna need to get a bookshelf right here. Because if we get a bookshelf right here, we can organize all the stuff right there. Guys, we're still trying to figure out this whole homeschooling shit. But the hub of it all will be here. Everybody's gonna do homework and everything here. They can't take their laptops upstairs or nothing. It all has to be here.
Yay.
So, and that's mostly for you. As always, I'm making seafood. You guys already know.
You weren't making anything. You were just sitting there.
But this is gonna be a long vlog because we have so much stuff that I have to get done. I have homework I need to get done. I have notes I need to write. I need to organize all this mess. I need to organize this mess in here. Leon is trying to clear that off as well. But yeah, we have tons of work today, and it's Saturday. So, and y'all too are gonna help me. Yay!
With what?
Cleaning and organizing everything so that we can get set up for homeschooling. Y'all only have, this is your last week at school.
Scotto?
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh. Yeah, this is your last week at school, so we need to organize everything so we can get everything situated for y'all to start homeschooling. Okay? Alright. So, we'll be back. No, we all looking. No, we all looking like bums right now.
I
Let's
don't
go.
care. Alright.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Like, la 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 la.
Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings and I need it, baby. Pressure it make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I fear the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known.
I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I'll find a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Like, la 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 la. Da 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 da. La 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 la.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go.
Alright guys, so I'm opening up Andre's box and I kind of want to show you guys what's inside so you guys can get an understanding of everything that you get when you sign up for K12 for a 6th grader. And I'm probably going to go through all the kids. If anything's different, then I'll add something in, but I think it's all going to be pretty much the same. So this is one of the boxes, and this has her American history, American art, and then she also gets art supplies as well. If it's gonna focus, yeah, there,
Yes.
focus. So yeah, she gets art supplies,
Oh, Brian.
and everything. And this one is her
Ugly music.
music supplies, as well as a book.
They said you gotta play this.
Got
Put the marker in there.
Oh shoot,
I'm like looking at you like, why'd you put the marker in there for?
because I'm special. So what I'm gonna do is, I was gonna label all the boxes, but I think I'm just gonna label the laptops, because this is the laptop and it comes with a mouse, headset, Ethernet cord, and the adapter, and then this is just all that, and then this is also her math book and health book, and she has to also do physical education as well, which I'm excited about this, because that means
What
that.
about that box?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull that out.
Mr.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull the music and then this art stuff and put them on the shelf right here. I organized my whole desk, as y'all saw, and so I'm going to take all this space. I'm gonna try and use this whole space up for all the kids' stuff that they need for school, and so I can get another bookshelf for in the dining room, so that way that will be like the hub for
I'm pretty
homeschooling.
sure my gym teacher, Mr. Bogowski, is gonna force me to do gym because he knows how I refuse to do push-ups. He knows I can't do one.
Well, sadly, with me, you're going to be forced to do push-ups if that's what's required. I'm not your teacher.
Actually, the only time he let me not do a push-up
Because when I was a kid, I didn't get an option. I didn't get a choice. I had to do what I was told to do. And it's going to be the same for you.
That smile is not giving me anything.
Yeah, well, sucks to be you. Alright,
I
so...
don't feel sucked, but okay.
Alright, so we are going to do all this. And then when I'm actually not going to show you guys the whole process of me trying to put this in here. So, because the camera is probably going to die. So what I'll probably do is I'll come back and show you how I set it all up and how I ended up organizing it. Good luck. Say good luck. Alright, so this is what we got so far. This is not going to
Pick it
be
up.
something that's permanent,
Get them toys.
because there's still so many boxes, but I don't want to mess it up. So I'm definitely going to need to get another bookshelf for more of this stuff, because it wasn't enough. But I tried to organize it as best as I could. But this is what we got. And then those are all their laptops that I have to set up for them, along with the printer to set up the printer for them. But yeah, I was like, this is a lot. But yeah, this is This is gonna be the setup for now, and so I can get a bookshelf, and I should be able to get one soon. So,
Did you get my glove? Yeah, you got it.
all right. So,
What's them damn scrubby toes?
oh boy,
Yeah, I said scrubby toes on live TV. Oh.
It's not live, Dad.
I said it's live.
Dad, it's not live.
I said it's live.
How do you go live on camera?
Cause I'm live right now.
No, you're not.
Yep.
You're alive, not alive.
That hurt, that demon bump on your chin says you alive.
Eh?
what's wrong with you, girl? I don't know about that one. That's not mine. Y'all need to come get her. Your face is a mess. You messy girl. You messy girl.
No.
Yes.
No.
You messy girl.
No. No.
Look at your face.
No. What's the cheese?
You blow kisses?
Mwah.
Say I love you.
I